So, like I said, I was gonna do an unboxing. I got the FedEx package today. Um, containing the PS5 from Toxicidi. So, obviously, it's proof that she's legit. So, I'm gonna open it up now. Find a place to get going. One side. Get the other side would help. Oh. This thing is massive. Christ. And heavy. Like my gut.
Yay!
There's the PS5 right there.
I can't see it.
Of course you can. That's the PS5, so it's proof that she sent it and she is legitimate with her giveaways, and I am extremely thankful for her and the community itself because of all the stuff it's done for me personally. But yeah, she's legitimate. She's not a BSer or anything. There's not a fake. Where's my knife? Right here. So yeah, and I'll even open the box up to prove that it's actually in there and not like a PlayStation 2 taped to a PS3.
You know, see it.
Christ.
Hey, I can feel it.
We'll see what's in that. And
Mikey,
first time I've ever seen one of these in person, so.
Mikey, I can breathe. Stay on you.
Well, if you stay out of camera, you're fine. Just you don't have to stay up under.
I want to see you on hospital.
Hurry up.
Hospital. Okay.
Say hi, Tox.
Mm,
Say hi, Tox.
okay, I'm gonna stay on the closet.
Oh, that helps. I think. Whatever. There we go. Is that not helping? Storming. Was that needed? Don't start, Stormy. Here we go. Here, this thing is heavy as hell. Holy crap.
Oh my. You say bundle.
Yeah, if crap's a bad word, then I'm going somewhere. This thing is massive.
I'm gonna see. I can put the panels. I want to see.
Here's this hefty old console.
Oh my god! That was like a
It's
pig.
literally the size, bigger than my head.
You can put it
It's
in.
disc edition. Yeah. Here's the PlayStation 5. And I cannot say thank you enough to Toxicidi for it. And let me put it down safely, because I'll put that right there. And put that beauty right there while I move this. And open up this little box right here, containing the power cord, the DualSense controller, and the guide, some of the basic stuff, and multiple languages. Okay, then what else is in here? Alright. The HDMI cord. And the stand for the PS5. Right here. Which you can set up on its side. Or like how I have it standing at the moment. Or you can lay it down. I do not know how I'm going to set it up, but yeah, there's unboxing and there's proof that she does her giveaways, and like I said, I cannot thank her enough for it. Because it's an absolute blessing that I even found her stream and everything. So, once again, thank you for this hefty old console and everything. There's unboxing. Thank you so much.